Morning everyone, Joe the Welder is my name behind the camera. So in this video today we'll be doing our 2F welding position. So this is E6013, but on our demo we'll be using 7018 2.5 millimeter. So let's share about the safety in welding. So as you can see on this sign, it is showing something. I hope you can read. And then on this table here, as you can see, we have our welding helmet. As you can see, we have the ear defenders. So the ear defenders goes with clear glasses. This is for cutting and then grinding. And then we have a pair of welding gloves. So as you can see, and then I have my wire brush and then the chipping hammer. So on this coupon here, as you can see, I will be doing our 2F for welding position, and like I said, I will be using the 7018. So this is what we'll be using, 7018. Uh, 7018 is what we'll be using. So like I have said, always have your welding helmet on, because I've seen a school in Komasimbi where I think students were doing welding without the welding helmet. So 7018 is what I will be using, 2.5 millimeter. So I will begin from here and then go all the way to this end. Cementing the two pieces at the same time, and then my traveling speed has to be the same. So as you can see, I've tried to melt the two pieces at the same time and then keep my traveling speed the same so that I have a nice bead which is even all the way from here to this side. Thank you. Enjoy the weld.